up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're playing Adopt Me, and also I'm playing with my brother. Hi. Also, my brother is recording because I have made too much video, so my storage is literally blowing up. Okay, we're hatching our first egg. It's a cardinal! You guys, we didn't record it because we hatched so many cardinals. We literally hatched 4 cardinals. Luke hatched 2 and I hatched 2, so we're gonna make a neon soon. It's time to hatch another egg. Oh my gosh, it's a bowfrog. Okay, guys, we're making our neon now that I'm placing them, so you won't be able to see it, but you'll be able to see the end result. And also, our other brother is watching, and Bug is watching. Last one. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how cool it is! It's a red cardinal with blue neon. Guys, we're hatching my next egg. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Where is it? I got a woodpecker! Guys, we only need one more board. Oh my gosh, guys, she has a hawk. Guys, I'm a little overpaying, but I'll do anything for a hawk. Are you really gonna get a hawk? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, I got the hawk! Okay, you guys, we got every single bird in the woodland egg. Bye guys, have a good day. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.